Hey guys, chrisfix here. Hello guys, I'm bldh. Oh wait. No, I'm not. I don't need a helmet to cover my face. Hey guys, chrisfix here. Today I'm going to show you how to mount a handbrake with common hand tools. Hello guys, I'm STUNTBRAKE and today I'm here with my girlfriend, tinyland, aka BRB Stunt. Engström. And today we're mounting the DIXER parts handbrake with accompanying Magura Håsiet. Wow. 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 Vad fan gör du?
Is that a wrench in your pocket or are you just happy to see me?
No, it's a tool. So, we're gonna start off by removing the wheel bolt and the wheel so we can replace the stock bracket with this. This is a stunt bracket from DIXER parts, and you can actually have 2 calipers if you want, but I only have 1.
Smakte?
Jävlar. Bra.
No matter distance I cover, you always there. Just mother, please let me find another. Feels like you're my silhouette. I'm not easy to forget. Pretend that we never met. I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see your colors shining through you. Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask?
So we've mounted the new bracket. So the easiest way to do this now is to put the rear wheel back on before you put the stunt caliper on, because it's way easier, trust me, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you trust me?
Yeah, no.
Still every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your ex? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince. I just need this to be real. I don't need no
Wait, what is that?
Say, is that a wrench in your pocket?
Jag kommer inte klara av det alltså.